Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to take care of your natural nails and 5 amazing tips on how to grow out your natural nails and how to make them look nice and like less damaged and more progressive, and you get like the whole gist. So if you want to get your nails looking fly, you know, all the good stuff, this is the video you have to watch. Make sure you watch till the end and I'll see you in the main video. So for the first tip on this video, it's going to be a healthy diet. As the saying goes, you are what you eat. So whatever thing you put into your body is the same thing that it's going to come out, or that's what your body is made of. And for a healthy diet, you need a lot of vegetables, you need a lot of fruits, you need a lot of vitamins, you need a lot of greens. You just need like a whole balanced diet, and all of these are things that are going to help you with your production and generation of cells and all that kind of good stuff. Next tip is to not bite your nails. Okay, like the one thing that hinders people from having grown nice nails is biting your nails, which is wrong. And not only is it very unsanitary, it's just really not nice. Like it's just nasty, like really. So one way people have found out how to deal with biting the nails is by using nail varnish. So basically they just paint the nails with nail varnish, and every time they stop to bite the nails, the smell from the nail varnish makes them repulsive or makes them not want to do that to the nails. So this is a good trick. Another good trick is to use something more decorative like glitter. Glitter is harder and it's going to make your nails much more stronger so that they don't break easily. And also, like if there's glitter on my nails, it just looks really pretty, so I will not want to be biting pretty nails. So I think that the main goal, like to stop you from biting your nails, is just to have really aesthetically pleasing nails. And I know that people don't have like time to do their nails every single day, but having some few cute nail polishes works. Keep your nails dry is the third tip. So when your nails are wet, they become really flexible and weak, and they can easily break with any little thing you do. So as soon as you finish touching water or wet stuff, dry your nails immediately so as to avoid wet nails that can easily break. Another tip is to always use nail friendly products such as cuticle cream or nail cream. There are a lot of brands that sell stuff like this is one I've had for a very long period of time, so I'm just showing you guys how I apply it on my hands. And it's just pretty straightforward. It's just like a hand cream that you apply every now and then. People do it daily. I'm not very much of a ritual person, so I just do it every time I see the bottle and I use it. But yeah, it's a really little DIY video if you cannot like have access to these things. So yeah, it's one that you can make at home. So all you need is the container that you're going to put the thing, the gel into, and then you're going to need some olive oil, you're going to need some sweet almond oil, you're going to need some essential oil. I'm using tea tree oil here, and then you're going to need some coconut oil. So I'm just going to start by using 1/4 of the measurement I listed before, because it's just a sample video, so I don't want to make a very big batch. So I'm just going to use a tablespoon of everything listed in that video, like everything listed on the list. I'm going to use a tablespoon of coconut of olive oil, tablespoon of sweet almond oil, a tablespoon of coconut oil, as I am doing right now. And then I'm going to go ahead and open up my capsule of vitamin E, and then I'm going to drop some into the container, and then I'm going to put a drop of tea tree oil, and then you're just going to shake very lightly to mix everything together. And then you can use this pen applicator, which I'm going to show you a little bit more detailed in the future. What you do is just tip the applicator into the oil and it's going to soak it up, and you can use it. This is a little bit not very practical for me right now, so I'm just going to go in with a cotton ball, and I'm going to dip the cotton ball into the mixture, and then you're just going to see me rub it all over my hands. And this makes, like, you can use this after every pedicure, after every time you've touched water. You can use it daily. You just have to use it a lot so that your nails are like fortified and bathed in it, and like they're just totally soaked and hydrated by the moisture and all its good properties that it's going to like give onto your nose or what. So you're just going to see this video of me and some non-copyright music playing, because I'm just trying to show you like a demo of how to use it, and that's basically it. The next tip, it's not really a tip, but this is what I was talking about, is the nail polish pen thing. And I bought this online. What you do is you usually put nail polish remover inside, but if you have the oil, you can just put it so that it's going to it's going to be very nice applicator, and you can buy this online. Next tip is supplements. Yes, we all use supplements every day of our lives. For this one, you're going to need supplements such as vitamin B9, folic acid. You're going to use keratin. These are like really good things, good vitamins that help you in your. I hope this video helped you, because we have come to the end of the video, and this is what my natural nails look like. I love them. I have never done acrylics ever in my life, and my nails are really healthy. So yeah, it's the end. As always, I will see you guys in my next video. I love you. Bye. Don't forget to leave a comment, subscribe, and do all the nice stuff.